Say hi. Karma, no. Say hi, Leah. Hi. Okay, we're at Thunderbird Lake for my sister's birthday party. Say hi.
Yo, what's up?
Yeah, Dad did bring the dip.
Leah, Malia, are y'all having fun here?
Hey, Marty. Marty. If you're looking for the chip dip, look in a mirror.
Ah, you calling me a dip?
My dad called you that earlier. Ew, a bug touched me. Yeah, we had to move about 2 other times because I said this place is closed down. This place is closing down only for camp people. So we came over here where it doesn't close down until like 12 or something. But this is a problem. There's tons of people and trash over there. And we're over here in this little private area. But it's actually pretty cool because we have logs and we have a kitchen. We have our refrigerator and our stove slash grill, and then we got chips. So yeah, got a bed.
I've been out there because we
But we had to clean up all the trash over here. It didn't take that long, but it's all over there now. I want to take a trash bag and bring it out here. But yeah. Hey, Karma. Say happy birthday, Mommy. Good girl.
Man, I want the people with the dog.
I got a dog I'm taking with you.
out there first flat. That's where it's on first flat.
Have you had a good birthday so far?
Yeah.
Okay. I haven't got to tell you happy birthday yet. Happy birthday.
They have the airfield on.
You were there when I first told her happy birthday. I feel bad. Yesterday I had this bad headache. I went out to Tinker Car
Yeah, I
Show.
know. That's where you turn.
But look at this view. Well, besides all this, like if you like block that out, look at that. Make the best of what you got. So, yeah. Uncle, sister's best friend, sister, cousin, dad, me, and then out there by those sticks, let's see. Oh, cousin.
If anybody asks, that's chocolate, not poop.
It's not poo, it's mud.
It's not Karma's crap, it's chocolate.
It's mud.
On her arm.
That's actually, mud's good suntan lotion.
It's good for bugs too.
Yeah, to come crawl on you. Woo! When we leave here, I'm going to bring Mom some flowers. She's 10.
Look at Karma.